Hello and welcome to another Lifers bonus. So this is the trainer trends table, which if you've been following the free selections, you may be interested in them. But I decided to give you a little bit of an extra as far as that table is concerned, and allow you to look at the trainers that are running today with a little bit more information, giving you the ability to change the way you look at the results. So you can actually back as well if you want to. Whenever you look at anything, there will be a bot link appear at the bottom. It's not a very complicated bot link. Basically, one piece, one figure is that, and one figure is that. So, and a lay or the back. So generally, I'm just trying to think. The number of records for the normal one is about 25 and I think 15 points or something like that. It might even be 10 points, and I didn't put 10 points in here, but somewhere around that. But if you want to use the standard link, that's in the members area anyway. So I gave you something a little bit more different. But you can see that by changing the least number of records and the least profit, so that's basically 15 points or above, and that's basically 25 records and above. You can see that you'll get more runners to follow. So if you want to make it a bit better, maybe 100 records, that'll give you a bit more information. But today we haven't got 100 records on these, so it's going to have to be 50. And you might want to add the points up a little bit more, just so you get less selections as well. So lay wise, we're down to 3 selections if we go for that, and if we went to 50 points, we'd have that one selection, a king at Newbury. That one trainer, king at Newbury. He's at Worcester today as well, but it would be the Newbury ones we'd be interested in, and he isn't actually running at Newbury today. So basically it looks at the courses and then brings out all the trainers, but they may not be running at those courses as well. But you can see that Baldwin is the other one, and he's running at a couple of meetings today. So that's the way it basically works. You can back now. You're going to get less profit with back, probably. Oh, actually, maybe not then. Generally, I found that you get less with back. That seems an awful lot of profit, doesn't it? These records go back to the 22nd. You can do this with PR ratings as well, and I'm going to show you that because let's have a look at that on PR ratings. So let's have a look at GL more at Newbury. So if we go to PR ratings, and then we'll come down to trainers, and we go GL more. So many of them, isn't there? It's a bit of a pain, this one. I should have cut it down. GL more. Okay, now the records go back to the 22nd as well, so we should be able to just I'm going to click on trainers as well. Now we should be able to leave it like that, see what the profit and loss is, see if it is the same. It just seems an awful lot. Wait for that file to be updated. And there it is. Oh, it's mainly because of one, and this is always the problem when you look at these trainers, don't you? That there's that one winner, 395, and that's why that looks so good. So you do have to be a little bit careful with that, obviously. I generally find with backing that you don't get an awful lot of profit. This is probably a more sensible one. This one here, that might be worth looking at 1720. But normally these bigger numbers, you can check them out with PR ratings as well to get, as I just showed you, to get a clearer indication. But generally, there will be some big ones. Let's have a look at MP Mollenhand at Worcester then. Let's just do that as well. I gotta get this right. So go to Worcester and Control N. Oops, wrong one. Shift N. So let's see what his results are like. As always with this kind of thing, with rounding issues, when I do the trainer tables, I am using a lot simpler code to get the results. And there again, see another big winner this month. Another 126 winner. So that's why you're seeing that big figure. So keep that in mind when you see these large figures. They're really nice, but they're not really probably very they're based on one or two big winners, so keep that in mind. But yeah, so that's how it works. So you can back or lay. As soon as you back or lay, the bot will and submit, the bot link will be updated, and you can use that link directly straight into your bot as you normally do with any link. Anyway, I hope you find it useful. But if you do find it useful, let me know. And yeah, okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.